Welcome back, family, friends, and fans. It is Karma Lately. Thank you guys for joining me today. And my hands are moving. They're dancing. They're doing something different. And it's because we did it. We did it. We made it to 1,000 subscribers. We did it. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I had to do the happy dance with my hands. Guys, I am so grateful to you for making this possible. You guys did it. You did. You helped me. You helped me to get to 1,000 subscribers. And I just want to say thank you. I cannot thank you enough, but maybe I can. Because for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I am giving away this. Let's do that again. For the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I am giving away this. And this is a DIY mini kit, and it is a coffee shop. I am going to be building this on this channel with my daughters, and you guys are going, whoever you are, you will be receiving it fully built. We're going to mail it to you, and that is the giveaway. And I'm really excited because we're going to be building it here on my channel with my daughters, and they've been really excited about doing this. Typically, when I have a giveaway, I prepare you guys, and before I reach the desired subscriber count is when I announce the giveaway. But because I'm running behind this month, please bear with me, but that is not your fault. I am still doing the giveaway. So we are going to have 1,000 for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It is going to be this dollhouse mini coffee shop kit. But for when we reach 5,000, I want to do something else, and I would love for you guys to write in the description what you think. The subscriber giveaway prize is handmade by me, but I am willing to make some exceptions if you guys have some really great ideas. So I'd love ideas for me making something handmade or me buying something. Now, just a thought, I think I'm going to be doing the bigger the channel subscriber count, the bigger the prize. And I'm not doing that as a baity thing or as a strategic thing. I'm doing it as the natural progression of how the channel has been moving and how I've been feeling. I know that the first prize I gave was a Christmas junk journal. The second one I gave was a newspaper organizational furniture piece that I made. And now this will be a little bit of a bigger challenge. And I just want to keep making the challenges, or at least the quality and value of everything, bigger and better. So for the 5,000 subscriber count, it's going to be bigger. But I would love to hear what you guys suggest that I do for that. In this video, you are also going to get my unboxing of this kit. And so I'm opening the box right now with you guys, and we are going to explore everything that is in the box, because this is what I'm going to be doing for you. And so this is the manual with all the instructions and all the product information and how to assemble everything. And I think that I can handle this. I'm gonna do this with my daughters. There's a lot of intricate work, but we're gonna get it done. I'm excited about this. So here are all the pieces. I'm sure these are like different beads that are going to make some of these like little accessories, probably some of the food. We have tools. There's scissors. There's the star screwdriver, ruler, craft knife, and needle nose pliers. I can always use extra tools. Then we have all the furniture pieces. Some of these feel like they're made from wood. I don't know if they are all made from wood, or maybe they're MDF. Let's see. This is wood. but yeah, this feels like it's probably like MDF. I'm sure it says it on here. Well, that's fine. So this is for like some of the furniture and stuff like that, which is cool. This is for some of the structural things and furniture as well. This is definitely MDF for some of the structural pieces of the cafe. Here we have some fake grass, some flowers, and lights. I cannot wait to tackle these lights, guys. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be fun. And then we have the paper. Now the paper is a little tricky for me. I tend to not like to use paper in my doll houses. I can use it for some of the food. I can use this for some of the food and maybe for some of the flowers, because that's really cool. Oh, cool. Sweet. This is a really cool diagram. This is a material list. Hold on. That's what I've been waiting for. All right, so there's this paper here. This is like a wooden floor. I'm probably going to use real wood. I'll just use coffee stirrers. This, I don't know. I might use my brick stamper and then just use it with model paste and make it myself and paint it. I don't know. Let's see. Again, I'm gonna do my own wood for that, but the rest I can use. There's just certain things that I think maybe the brick I'll leave, since brick is a little more challenging and I don't want to take too much time, but I do want to get some details in. This is the one that I've been waiting for. This is the material list. And this is all the pieces and their labels, which is great for when we're reading the manual. We can follow this. All the structural pieces, the furniture. Oh, that's great. And then we have the food and the flowers. And these are all going to be like boxes. All right, this is officially MDF. And these are all of the foundational pieces that we're going to be using. And some of these floorboards we're going to be working to embellish with maybe some real wood instead of paper. I think that it's going to add a lot of value to your kit. This is going to be for this, and then it's just a matter of attaching it in the way that it needs to be attached so that the holes go in place. But this is going to be the music box, and it comes with all the pieces for it, the handle and everything. I'm looking forward to that as well. So I am just really excited about working on this and finishing this for you guys. And what's great about this, we don't have to wait for anybody to win. We are just going to, since we're already at 1,000 subscribers, we are just going to get right into it and I'm going to announce the winner. I'm going to do so the way that it's going to go, I'm going to put all the rules in the description for the challenge. And you guys are, if you want to be a part of this giveaway, you must comment in the description below. And the reason why you actually do have to comment is because when I do the winner generator, the websites that do it actually generate the winner from the comments or the subscribers. Subscribe and you comment. It would be amazing for my channel and for the growth. No pressure, you guys. I'm going to be putting a lot of pressure on myself from here on in. Now that I've already applied for the YouTube partnership program, I'm going to be putting all the pressure on myself to promote the channel, share. I noticed on my analytics that I've been reaching so many different countries worldwide. I'm gonna share it with you guys one day in my screen, on a screen share video, all the countries all over the world that are actually tuning into Karma lately. I just cannot believe it, and I want to say thank you, muchísimas gracias. Thank you guys, all of you, for your attention and support. I'm gonna try to make my videos also a little more language friendly, so maybe less talking and more visuals for you guys for some of the intricate tutorials. That way it can appeal to all the countries and everyone. So that is it. So make sure, if you want to be a part of this subscriber giveaway, you should subscribe and comment below, as that is how I am going to be able to generate your name. And the winner is going to receive this kit. I'm sorry, this fully finished miniature coffee shop, and you're going to receive it well packaged in a box. So that is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope that you like the giveaway. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for getting me to the 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to comment in this video if you want to be a part of the giveaway. I'll be putting the rules and all the information in the description below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching, and all your support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.